Fake news has now become much more than just annoying inconvenience, and if it is related to healthcare, it often misinforms and misleads the public. These days, many claims related to healthcare are getting viral on social media, such as noodles have been surgically removed from intestines or cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis. We'll tell you how Vishwas News identified some of these fake medical stories. Hi, my name is Urvashi Kapoor and you are watching Vishwas News. A video shared on Facebook had a caption that states that it has been recorded by a doctor from Apollo Hospital during the operation. It further states that our digestive system is not able to digest noodles and that's why noodles had to be surgically removed from a patient. Vishwas News started its investigation by using InVid tool and performing reverse image search on keyframes. The Yandex search engine gave us a result of a YouTube video uploaded on August 24, 2015. The video was posted with a caption that said, "Multiple roundworms in the small intestine, surgical removal done." This is not the first time this video has gone viral. It is doing rounds on social media since many years. Vishwas News then investigated about the claim in which it was mentioned that the doctor from Apollo Hospital took the video. We contacted the PRO of Apollo Hospital and he denied any connection of the video with Apollo Hospital. Vishwas News also contacted Dr. Sajeev Kumar, who is a general physician. He said that these are definitely not noodles. When it comes to digestion, the process of digesting any food starts way before it reaches intestines. So the claim that noodles have been surgically removed from intestines is fake. Moving on to the next story of today's episode, many a times we have read on social media that cracking your knuckles can cause bone problems and can also cause arthritis. We will tell you how Vishwas News identified that this is a fake news. Vishwas News investigated and found a report on US National Library of Medicine that stated that the relation of habitual knuckle cracking to osteoarthritis with functional impairment of the hand has long been considered an old wives' tale without experimental support. Another report by Harvard Medical School states that cracking your knuckles may aggravate the people around you, but it probably won't raise your risk of arthritis. As per Johns Hopkins Arthritis Center, there is no evidence that cracking knuckles causes any damage such as arthritis in the joints. According to the Library of Congress, scientists explain that synovial fluid present in your joints acts as a lubricant. The fluid contains the gases oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. When you pop or crack a joint, you stretch the joint capsule. Gas is rapidly released which forms bubbles. Vishwas News spoke to Dr. Ramankant Agrawal, orthopedic doctor, Fortis Heart Institute and Research Center. He also denied that cracking knuckles can cause any damage such as arthritis in the joints. So this news is fake. That's all for today's fact check. We'll meet you again in the next episode and we'll discuss more fake health stories. Till then, keep watching Vishwas News. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram for more.